Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing us how to make a stripe. This stripe can be used for your sandals, slippers, bags, handle, anything that you want to use it for. It is equally good. So let's get started. Now we have 4 stripes. What we're going to do is, you see this third one, we're going to let it pass. It will pass below the second one, then on top of the first one. Then this last one, we now have to go on top of the second one, then go back under the first. You see what we have. Then now this one that is on top of this one, we have to pass it down. Then it will come out between these two. And then cover up this one. Looking at what we have, this one is left out. Then this one that is left out, we have to let it pass down the rope and then come out between these last two. You see it? And see this one? It is left out. Look at it. So we have to pass it down. Then let it come out between these last two. You can see it is forming. And this one, always take the one that is left out. Then pass it under, then it will come out between the last two. Okay. Then this one will pass down and come out here. This is how it's going to be. This thing will go on, it will continue to go on to your desired length. It's not much that you're going to make use of silver color. You can make use of two different colors. You can make any colors of your choice. So far, you are using a stripe of four stripes. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to use this stripe for your bag handles and how to use it again for your slippers. Take for instance that this is the last place what I'm going to do is either I use glue that is gum to hold it, or use your needle to hold it. Whatever you making, just make sure that it will not loose. So you can use something and just staple it here. And also when you remove it from here, you have to equally staple it. That's how it will go. You see? It is round and beautiful. Thank you for watching. Always remember to leave a comment. And if you're just joining us, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and then press the notification button to always get notified whenever I make a video.